Hi and welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. I am Bindu. Today I am going to prepare an easy chicken curry. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Let's start with the marination process, and all the ingredients used in this video are mentioned in the description box below. I am using half kg of chicken. To this I am going to add all these ingredients. Chopped onions, ginger garlic, green chilies and curry leaves, tomatoes, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala. Now let this sit for half an hour to 1 hour. Now the chicken is ready for cooking. I will cook the chicken in slow flame for some time. Right now I will not be adding any water to it, as water from onions and tomatoes will come out. Later we will see. Now 10 minutes is over. Let's check. See, water has started coming out. Still we need more water for the gravy, so I am going to add little more water now. 1 cup of water I have added. Let's check now. Gravy has thickened. Now to this I am going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, we will not cook for more. Just stir it. Let's serve it. I'm going to have this with the yummy Malabar paratha. What about you?